Ever notice your mom's eyes in your reflection? Or your grandfather's curly hair on your head? These family resemblances aren't just coincidence, they're clues to your genetic story. Genetics is the science of how traits are passed from one generation to the next. Think of your DNA as a recipe book, with genes as the instructions you inherit from both parents. That's why you might have your mother's smile and your father's height. Genes are tiny segments of DNA, each carrying instructions for things like eye color or hair texture. You get a set of these instructions from each parent, making you a unique blend. This genetic blueprint connects you to your family and shapes who you are. Understanding genetics helps us answer big questions, like why some diseases run in families, or how we can improve crops. It's the science behind what makes you, you. And it all starts with that familiar face in the mirror. Let's look closer at your DNA, the master blueprint inside almost every cell. DNA is a twisted ladder, or double helix, made of 4 chemical bases, A, T, C, and G. The order of these bases forms a code that tells your cells how to build and run your body. Genes are specific sections of this code, each with instructions for a particular trait. You have about 20,000 genes, but not everyone has the same version of each gene. These versions are called alleles, like different options for eye color. You inherit one allele from each parent, and some are dominant, while others are recessive. This mix of alleles is why siblings can look so different. The unique combination you inherit makes you one of a kind. DNA's 4-letter code is the language of life. It's what makes every living thing unique. Our understanding of genetics began with a monk named Gregor Mendel. In the 1800s, Mendel experimented with pea plants, noticing traits like height and flower color. He crossbred plants and tracked which traits appeared in each generation. Mendel discovered that traits don't blend. They follow predictable patterns. For example, crossing purple and white flowers didn't make light purple. All offspring were purple. But in the next generation, white flowers reappeared in a 3:1 ratio. Mendel realized traits are controlled by factors, now called genes, some dominant, some recessive. His work revealed that inheritance follows mathematical rules. Though ignored at first, Mendel's discoveries became the foundation of modern genetics. He showed that heredity is predictable, not random. Mendel's pea plants changed science forever. He's now known as the father of genetics. Genetics isn't just for scientists. It shapes our lives every day. In medicine, understanding genes helps diagnose diseases and create personalized treatments. Farmers use genetics to breed better crops, and scientists now improve plants with precision. Forensic science uses DNA as a genetic fingerprint to solve crimes and prove innocence. Ancestry tests use your DNA to trace your roots and connect you with distant relatives. Genetics links us to our past, helps us grow food, and keeps us healthy. It's a powerful tool in modern life. Our DNA tells the story of who we are and where we come from. Genetics connects us all as one big human family. Its impact is everywhere. Genetics is advancing fast, with breakthroughs like gene editing using CRISPR. This technology lets scientists change DNA to fix genetic diseases, offering hope for cures. But it also raises big ethical questions. Should we edit human DNA, and where do we draw the line? The future of genetics is about what we can do and what we should do. Scientists are also exploring how genes interact with each other and the environment. Genomics is revealing the bigger picture of how our DNA works. There's still much to discover in the dark matter of our DNA. We're just beginning to unlock life's secrets. Stay curious and keep exploring. The world of genetics is full of possibilities. The journey into our DNA has only just begun.